Hey, Ag Teacher Thoughts here, coming at you with another video. So it's been 6 days since we took cuttings of our cold hardy petunias. And at this point, I think it's time that we take a little look at the cuttings and see whether or not we have root development, or if we have root nodules that are starting to form, or really kind of how those cuttings are. And this is going to help you understand kind of the timelines of what you need to do for cuttings and what to expect. So with our cuttings, we are doing those the traditional commercial way, which is we are taking a cutting from a plant, using the tip cutting, dipping it in rooting hormone, and then placing it in moistened potting soil. Okay, so this is in a actual potting media. This is not taking those cuttings and callousing them in a hydroponic system or anything like that. This is actually in potting soil. So we're going to go ahead and remove a couple of cuttings, and we're going to try to do this fairly quickly. They are in a humidity controlled dome, which right now it's a little warm where they were. I think it was about 82 in the propagation chamber. So all the stomatic cells are open, and when we pull this out, that plant's going to begin to desiccate. Now, if it's formed roots, it can draw water from those roots, but if it hasn't, it's only going to be sucking it up through that cut into the stem. So we're going to make sure that we're doing this fairly quickly and that we don't lose a cutting in the process. Let's get you situated, take a look and see what's going on. Okay, so we have some nice bright light, so we should be able to see this. I did kind of want to wait until we had a good sunny day. I don't know what the weather is going to be like tomorrow, so we're going to take advantage of this today. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of select one of these cuttings. I'm going to take a look at this one. Oh, maybe we'll do this one right here. And I'm going to moisten up its plug really good so that we don't have a lot of resistance when we remove it. We're going to go ahead and give it a gentle pull. I'm feeling for resistance. Okay, so here's our cutting. And on this, we have a little bit of potting media on there. This is where our node is. So we'll go ahead and clean this off so we can take a look at it. We'll move our cuttings out of the way. Put the humidity dome on top of it so it doesn't dry out anymore. Because if you look at here, there's not as much turgor in that as there should be right now. So let's go ahead and clean this off. All right, so looking at this cutting, what do we see? Well, get our blunt probe over here. Okay, so this is going to be our cutting, and what we're going to look at is we're looking in this zone right down here. All right, so there's where our node is. There is our cut end, and we're looking to see if there are any changes in that indicate that we've got something going on. So we do have a callus that's beginning to form on the end of here, so this is not dying back, so this is still nice and healthy. There's a little bit of dead tissue, which is kind of be expected, but we don't see anything where that cutting is heading south. Try to get that focus again. Yeah, it's actually looking pretty good. Sorry, this is kind of hard to get this focused for you. Take a look on this side. So what we would be looking for is we would be looking for any white bumps along here, which would be indications that we've got root growth occurring. So I don't see anything yet. And let's see if we can put you on the super zoom camera. Okay, so we're looking at the stem of the plant right now, and we're looking down there on that callus. Trying to get this in focus the best I can for you. We're not seeing any root nodule formation. So this is still just the stem. We do have some of the protective guard hairs on the stem, but we're not seeing anything else where this is not going to focus that close, but we're not seeing anything else on that stem as far as root nodules. So root formation has not yet occurred. And then we're looking at the node here. We're not seeing anything forming around the node. So we know that we're going to need to have at least another, probably another 2 weeks for these cuttings. Right, so a week is not long enough, so we're going to go ahead and put this one back in. So we're going to go ahead and put him back into his home. And then we're going to mist him back down, get that soil back down around the stem. Okay, and we'll give all of these just a nice mist, as we've changed their environment and we don't want them to dry out. So I hope that gives you a little bit of an idea of some of the timelines that we look at when we're taking cuttings. So I know we're all really anxious to see whether or not our plant material takes, but unfortunately, it does take several weeks for that plant to have the hormonal changes and develop the cells to go ahead and start forming those roots where we're requesting them. So in this case, down around that callus or around that node or around that stem that's down underground. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check back in with these cuttings probably midweek next week, maybe next Friday. We'll try to get 10 to 14 days on those and see where that callus formation is and where the roots are, so that you can kind of follow along with cutting development and see, hey, are my cuttings on track? But I would definitely, if you're new to taking cuttings and you've got some that you can sacrifice, I would definitely say that you should follow along kind of the process that I did. Get yourself a spritz bottle, make sure your cutting soil is nice and moistened, and then gently pull up on your cutting to remove them. Now, when they're first in there, so for those first week or so, pulling them up, there's not going to be any long roots on there, so we know we're not going to break them. But as you move on and you hit 2 weeks, 3 weeks, where you might have root formation, we're going to be using a stick to help shove up that entire piece of soil. And I'll show you how that goes coming up, but we definitely don't want to break off brand new roots. Hope you learned something. Ag Teacher Thoughts out.